Okay, this shows the damage to the back panel of the test set. As you can see, this is bulged out. There's a 9-pound transformer back there. This is very stiff 16 gauge steel, but when this was traveling at a high rate of speed in this direction and suddenly stopped, the transformer kept going and bent the back panel. This is shipping damage or some sort of abuse, because you can throw this thing around and still not bend the back panel. It takes a lot of force to bend that. This shows there's basically no conductor in the X4 jack. Again, the test set was moving very rapidly in this direction, and the metal piece, the little brass cylinder that makes the contact with the banana plug in the X4 jack, kept going and bent the wire toward the back of the test set, indicating that once again it was dropped on the back. Internally, the processor module was unplugged. It had moved toward the back in the same direction and was dangling loose on the Ethernet cable. I reinstalled the processor module. That's why I only have one picture of it dangling from the Ethernet cable, because I wanted to see if anything else was wrong. I reinstalled it, and the test set works normally, with the exception of the multi-tap feature, because the X4 jack is broken. Also, there was a relay. There's a reed relay in there, which is shock sensitive to that kind of massive shock, and it's arcing and shattering because it's broken. Once again, this is the ratio mode. The test set is working again because I reinstalled the processor module, which had been jarred loose in the accident. It's reading a little low, 1999.8 to 5, because it's cold and I just turned it on. It'll read correctly at 2000 once it warms up. It's only 60 degrees in here right now. Okay, so basically the problem was caused by a violent collision dropping the test set on the back. And that is not covered by the warranty. That's an insurance problem.